Namaskar, welcome to Yoga by Devidatta. Today's video is on Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. I'm going to give you few tips to improve the practice of your Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Anuloma Viloma Pranayama is said to be a practice which is Sarva Roga Nashak. Sarva Roga Nashak means cure for any disease. But I have seen people doing it in a wrong way. If you want to improve the benefits that the Anuloma Viloma Pranayama, please follow these 4 to 5 tips that I'm going to show you. The first tip is the mudra. So with the right hand, you should always do the Vishnu mudra when you're practicing Anuloma Viloma. You always use the right hand to practice Anuloma Viloma. Even if you are a left-handed person, I would suggest you to practice it with the right hand. The second tip is to use the brick or the pillow and sit on it. So use the brick and just rest your buttocks on the brick or the pillow. So your feet are on the ground, only the buttocks are on the pillow or the brick. Why you should do this is, when you sit on the brick or the pillow, your breathing becomes automatically much deeper and easier. If you want, you can try an experiment wherein you're sitting down and doing deep breaths for about 5 to 8 times and then immediately sit on the brick or a pillow and do the deep breaths for 5 to 8 times. When you do it for the second time on the brick, I'm sure your breathing will be much more deeper, it will be much more easier, and the efforts will be very less. So try doing that experiment. So once you sit on the brick, then you have to locate the point where to close the nostril. I have seen people closing the nostril at the tip of the nose, which is okay. But if you want to improve the benefit of the Anuloma Viloma Pranayama, then there is a specific point where you should close the nostril. And how to locate that point is you start running your thumb down from the top of your nose downward. You will initially feel that there is a hard part like a bone over there which ends somewhere at the middle of the nose. That is where you have to close the nostril. Similarly on the other side of the nostril also. Why to close at this point? Because as per Ayurveda, these are the marma points and these automatically improves the breathing from the opposite nostril. So it opens out the nostrils and thereby you can take deep breaths through the nostril. So when you close it over here with this point, it opens up the left nostril, and similarly when you close the other nostril, it opens up the right nostril. So the point is very important. So the tips as of now is, first, the Vishnu mudra, always with the right hand. Second tip is sitting on the brick. Third tip is to locate the point, and the fourth tip is, I have seen people doing the pranayama with the sound of the breath. This is a very wrong way of doing Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. The Anuloma Viloma has to be done very slow, very deep, and no sound to be produced. So now let's do a complete set of Anuloma Viloma Pranayama with these tips. So she is already sitting on the brick. She will take the Vishnu mudra and with the right hand locate the point at the right nostril and close the right nostril. Keep the elbow down. You can keep the elbow relaxed. Keep the back straight, face straight, and start inhaling through the left. So first inhale through the left, and after complete inhalation, close the left, open the right, exhale through the right. Then inhale through the right, close the right, open the left, and exhale through the left. This completes one round. Of course, you have to do this with your eyes closed. Try out the Anuloma Viloma Pranayama with these tips and let me know how does it feel. Is there a difference in your breathing? I would really love to hear your comments. Thank you.